Hi kids, today we are learn numbers. It's the number 1. 1. 1 triangle. That's the number 2. 2. 2 hearts. Number 3. 3. 3 hearts. It's the number 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. That's the number 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hearts. It's the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. It's the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hearts. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 triangles. It's the number 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hearts. That's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangles. Bye bye kids.